we have a crab in a van. And I don't mean myself, I know I'm red, but we have an actual crab in a van.
The worst thing is that the crab is somewhere in our van without our knowing where exactly is the crab.
Ah, he's here?
Oh, hello, crab.
Yeah, don't go there.
But maybe we should let him back to the sea. I'm sweating from my mustache.
We are at the end of the world. Me, Mina, and we met this wonderful fella from Belgium. His name is Bram, and our roads crossed here on the Black Sea coast. But that's not important at the moment. What is important is what Bram's doing. So we're gonna play with fire a little bit. I've never played with fire. Bram said I could.
For sure you can.
We'll see what happens. It doesn't happen every day in Turkey that we find so remote and naturally gorgeous places. Just listen to the cicadas in the back. But sadly, even places like this have signs of humans. We've had a look around, and luckily we met Bram from Belgium. He had this idea that he saw a beach in here that was totally trashed, and it was just too much for him. Now we're gonna try to join our forces, go ahead, have a look at this beach, and hopefully give back to Turkey, because Turkey has been so nice to us, and so maybe we're able to clean a beach in here. But he's the guy to blame, Bram from Transit Travels.
Hey guys, we just came to the conclusion we need to do something.
We can all do our little small part. If you have somebody next to you who wants to do the same thing, then it's more like, okay, we might be able to do it. So we will try, and we will show you how it goes.
We have to rescue our friend first.
I don't want to break your wings. Please don't let me break your wings.
Woo.
Don't break your wings.
Fly, my friend. You are amazing.
Does Mina look like she's going to clean a beach, or does she look like she's going for a long holiday in a summery Turkey?
It will be a long holiday cleaning that beach. I've never seen anything like this in my life. Never.
Well, so it begins. Just imagine if you're a predator and you eat jellyfish. It's so easy to mix them up with pieces of plastic. They look almost the same in here. The thing is that the bags are filling up, but it still seems that there's the same amount of trash. We've been on the beach now for between 3 and 4 hours, and well, you can barely see the progress. We've started taking them up there. We're not able to take more because there's no rooms in a van. We don't have the equipment, but it's a small thing. Maybe it's a start. I really hope that somebody continues our work in here.
To be honest, these are the third shoes in Turkey that I have already broken, but it's okay. The only problem is that it's hot. Or what do you think? Last bag.
Mina cleaned the floor yesterday, so I might be in trouble, but in they go.
In they go.
That's number 10. As it turns out, we did not design our van for carrying goods, but Bram did.
Old cars can carry more.
Bram has around 40, but it shows what the good person he is.
Plus we had 12 bags in ours as well. I was really hoping that by the end of this day we would have this clean beach and we could go all swimming in a clean beach. It's not clean, there's tons of garbage left in here. We probably picked up a ton. That's a lot, that's amazing, but you always want to do more.
Bam!
We have a crab in the van, and I don't mean myself, I know I'm red, but we have an actual crab in the van.
The worst thing is that the crab is somewhere in our van without our knowing where exactly is the crab. I took the trash bags out one by one in different places, and then under the 2 last bags I saw a crab, and here, run under here. Meaning we have a crab somewhere there.
Ah, he's here?
Oh, hello crab!
Yeah, don't go there.
But maybe we should let him back to the sea.
We'll try to get him in the ocean.
How can we get the crab out?